from Nonamenationals, and Cookie Monster did well. Did okay. I was pretty happy with it. I had one issue though, one major issue. When I was getting on the brakes, oil pressure would drop so low, and I would have to basically ease onto the brakes until I stopped. I used to have an accumulator on this car. I just didn't put it back in because I had a center sump on this. Now it's got a rear sump. Now it's an issue because I'm going faster again. So something I took out, I used to have mounted right there, and there. If let me get the, I used to have it mounted. You can see the holes there, and there. I put it back through the hole right there as my bulkhead, and I put my accumulator back in. Yeah, something I'm definitely going to need. It's a 3-quart accumulator. I used to have that in here for the longest time, and I just happened to take it out. I never installed that. That thing's old, and it seems to work. So yeah, good for me. Luckily, it's parts I had laying around. But that's a 35-pound activation switch. The only thing I had to do is put a toggle right there, and I put a light on it so I know when it's on, which is cool, and runs right up. This is going to be a super quick video, but that's that. And we're going to go up underneath. We're going to do it all in one shot. Oh, yeah. And underneath here, you can see where I have it plumbed into the side right there. And it goes up to a bulkhead right there. That bulkhead just basically has been sitting there for the longest time, and I just put caps on it. But yeah, it goes through and right through that, and yeah, we're golden. So yeah, happy about that. And no leaks, no drips, no gloops, no nothing. And I'm happy about that. So yeah, see, this is my center sump that I have. I changed the oil in it, and not one drop of oil in the catch, in the diaper. So that's good. So yeah, I'm not really sure when my next race is going to be. They have a couple coming up, and I'm just not sure if I'm going to go out, what I'm going to do. But I've got plenty of nitrous, plenty of fuel. I didn't make only but maybe 6 or 7 laps this last weekend in this thing, so I just got to dust out this. It got all dusty inside here for the transport, and yeah, just gonna go and get that done. Another little thing I was kind of working on was, I cleaned up all these here, and I'm gonna, loom those over. Not necessary, but it's all there. And change the water. I tighten the belt and drain this. Other than that, I'm gonna adjust the valves and call it good. I mean, you can't complain with that. So yeah, small block Mopar, doing okay. I did do a compression test on it and a leak down test, and everything's good. There was one time where I had an issue where I was going, there was a video, I'll see if I can find it, and maybe I'll play it right here. Yeah, see, that's what happened. What it was is that car was so loud over there. Even though I've got a tack and a shift light and all that stuff, I kind of shifted. Well, I didn't hit it hard enough to going into second, and it went and hit the rev limiter, fart and popped. And then by the time I pulled in the second, he beat me by about that much. So yeah, I mean, it was on full nitros, full everything when it was farting and popping. So I was thinking, ooh, we'll see. But then I raced Joe after that, and everything seemed to be okay. It was right on track, but I still, you like to check things out. I cut open the filter. I always do that whenever I change the oil, and it was golden, so I can't complain. So, yep, that's what we got. It's only a 4-minute video, but just a little update on the Cookie Monster, and we're gonna go back out and I don't know, maybe in a couple weeks, they've got another race coming up. And I want to go out and have some more fun with this pig because it's good. And plus, I still have 2 more races or possibly 1 more race with Joe. Depends on if I win the next one. If I win the next one, it's 2 out of 3, and that's that. But yeah, I'm working on Joe. There's some tuning things that we need to get together on his car. Look, I'm helping him because I want a good race. I don't just want to show up and, race and be like, dude. That's why I was like, look, man, that's why we only did 1 race at the Nonamenationals, and then we just moved on, is because it was like, look, man, yeah, your shit's not running right, so let me help you get it going, and then we'll go from there. There's a lot of little tricks to get done. Oh, I got to fix that. That's the one thing that went wrong in the whole race. It got loose. All right, well, that's enough. All right, you guys, take it easy. There's a little Cookie Monster update, and you'll see it on track soon. All right, later. One last thing I've been doing is every car I take to Nonamenationals, I open up the deck, the hood, and people come by, put their stickers in, and grab one. So every car's got one of these. I'm going to go around this one more time. If someone can guess which one is my favorite, if someone can guess which one is my favorite, first one to guess which one is my favorite, we will, I don't know, we'll do something. We'll do something cool. So if you can guess which one is my favorite, not really sure, but yeah, there's one on here that I really like.